What's your name
I'm Raul Govea.
and when did you graduate?
I graduated this February of this year.
When you were doing the welding competition, like the whole process of the welding competition, what did you think about it?
I personally loved it. It was great. Everyone's very self-explanatory. They tell you how to do it, what is it, and the position you're supposed to be in. And I really like enjoying how I can demonstrate my skills.
And what did you feel like when you won the welding competition?
I was genuinely really surprised. I did not expect to win. I think it was just a great experience, great confidence boost.
What advice would you give to students who are thinking about coming and doing the welding competition?
I personally say go for it. It's worth the shot. It's a great experience. You get to really know how the school is laid out. You get to meet a lot of instructors. Gives you a good general idea of how the school is in general.
So overall, being that you came to the school, you did the welding competition, you won the welding competition, you did get that tuition scholarship opportunity. Overall, what would you say to students who want to come to ETI, like coming to the welding competition, being a student here? Just to wrap it up, was it all worth it?
I personally love it. I made great friendships to this day. I still hang out with those people. I still talk to my teachers. I love this school. They did great things for me. They showed me everything I need to know about welding. I would recommend any person to come check it out or come to this school.
What's your name?
Anthony Valladares.
And Anthony, when did you graduate from high school?
So I graduated from Romeoville High School, class of 2020.
And then when you graduated from Romeoville High School, what made you decide to come to ETI?
So I decided to come to ETI mostly because of my dad. My dad is a maintenance tech for apartments, and he always pushed me to go to the trades. When I found out that they had a HVAC school here nearby, I found interest just within myself. I worked on furnaces, boilers, and air conditioners with my dad already, and so I knew it would be something I liked and something I'd want to try.
So this was going to be a good fit for you for sure,
Yeah,
right?
for sure. Yeah, I already knew that this was going to be something that I'd like to do.
Okay, cool. And then what was your experience like here at ETI? What did you think of the school overall?
I thought the school was amazing, actually, especially at the time. I met so many people. I made a lot of good connections and friends, not just professional relationships, but also just relationships that we still talk even to this day, just from being in class together, as well as just being out in the shop and working together. It was just a great environment. It taught me a lot, especially the basics. I think that's mainly the main thing that I had to focus on was get the basics down, so that way when you get to work you can learn all the complicated stuff but figure out the basics first. And being out there and working in the shop every day, I think that helped me a lot to be able to go into my first environment in a job calm and relaxed.
And do you think that your experience here at ETI, do you think it prepared you for the job that you have now?
I think for sure it has. I mean, even just thinking back to some of the things that I was learning here and having to do them every day now, I think having that experience in the shop, and like I said, somebody to ask the questions when you need to, because when you're out there you don't really have anybody. I think it helped me a lot, and so yeah, I'm very grateful for this place for sure.
Do you have any advice for students that are thinking about going into the trades?
Yeah, I think the trades is still a good spot. Contrary to some popular belief nowadays, I think the trades is very good for people, especially young people that are willing to work with their hands and want to learn more each and every day, because these people are getting older and their jobs aren't being replaced as much as an office job or other types of jobs. So I would push anybody to get into the trades. I am actually pushing my brother to do the same, and I have a cousin that might be going here too for welding. So
so you're keeping it in the family.
Yeah, I'm
That's
trying
good.
to get him to come. We'll see if he makes it, but yeah, I'm trying to push the youth to his trades for sure.